In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Clipchamp. Whether you're just starting or have some experience with video editing, knowing how to capture crisp audio is essential, and Clipchamp makes it incredibly straightforward. So, let's dive in and walk through the process from beginning to end. First things first, let's head over to your browser and go to clipchamp.com. Clipchamp is an intuitive online video editor and it's perfect for both simple and more advanced projects. Once you're on the website, you'll want to sign in, so look out for the sign in button. If you already have an account, you can proceed to sign in directly. Here, we recommend clicking on Continue with Microsoft, especially if you already have an account linked there, as it streamlines the sign in process. Simply select your Microsoft account and you'll be logged in with ease. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage. This is where the magic happens. From here, look for the option that says Create a New Video. Give it a click to kickstart your project. Now, on the new video creation page, you'll notice several options. Head over to the Record and Create section, which is exactly where we need to be for recording audio. In this menu, you'll see the audio option. Click on that. This is where you'll set up everything needed to capture your audio. Choose your preferred microphone, especially if you have multiple audio input devices connected. Selecting an appropriate microphone is vital for ensuring high quality sound, so take a moment to pick the right one. Now comes the exciting part. You'll notice a big red button, which is your record button. When you're ready to start your audio recording, just click this red button and Clipchamp will begin capturing your voice. Take your time, speak clearly, and remember, you can always re-record if necessary. Once you've captured everything you wanted to say, simply hit the red button again to stop the recording. The next step is to save your work. You will see an option to save and edit. Clicking on this will save your recording and bring you straight into the editing phase within Clipchamp. This is where you can make any necessary tweaks or incorporate additional elements into your video, whether it's adding background music, cutting out awkward pauses, or enhancing your audio's quality. And there you have it, you've successfully recorded audio in Clipchamp, and you're now ready to edit and polish your project to perfection. Honestly, it's as simple as that, and with these tools, you'll be able to create professional and engaging content time and time again. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope